What's up, Discount Squad? Today we're going to be testing out stainless steel soap. What makes it so special is it doesn't clean your hands, it more gets rid of the odor. Yeah, and as a special little notice, like every video, if you hear baby sounds, it's my little sister. Okay, so we're going to be testing out, we're going to test it out on 3 different items.
So we are going to be rubbing stuff on our hand and going to be washing our hand like this picture and see if we can still smell the stuff that we put on our hand.
Okay, we're going to do garlic first. We're going to crush it.
Into crushing the garlic.
We're rubbing it on our hands now.
I'm feeling we should do this over the sink. It smells bad.
I actually like the smell. Okay, so I'm up first. According to a picture, all I do is put water on it. Okay, now this is soap made from metal.
My hands are so sticky.
I would say that it does like a 8 out of the, like 1 out of 10 to give it 8. Smell.
It's just pure metal.
Does your hand smell like garlic still?
So.
So you can still smell garlic?
Mm-hmm. Well, it is really warm.
Okay, so fish sauce is really smelly. Here's a little smell of it. Yeah. So
My mom likes it.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my hand.
It's really strong.
Ew.
It's really strong.
Ew, like. Okay, so smell my hands now so you can have a comparison. Okay, you smelled it.
Oh, that's gaggy.
That's good.
Oh my gosh, it worked! Smell it now. It smells really like.
I don't smell anything on your hand at all.
That's onion.
Fresh onion. I hate fresh onion. I always ask for grilled on my burger.
I'm gonna rub this all over my hand. Okay.
Nice one, love.
Smell that. Just makes me want to sneeze. Here it goes. Oh, the soap did a really, really good job. Took away the onion smell.
Overall, this is pretty good. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next with it.